11. By studying this lesson, you will be able to identify whether a number sequence is a geometric progression, and the second one is use the formula for the nth term, so geometric progression, and use the formula for the sum of the first nth term for geometric progression, and solve the problems related to the geometric progression. Okay, then we'll see what's the geometric progression. Now careful that see this one sequence they given 2, 6, 18 and 54, right? In a between two terms, the ratio between the two terms are equal. That kind of the terms or sequence we are calling geometric progression. The fixed value by which each term is multiple to obtain the next term is called the command ratio, right? Of the above that geometric progression. In this progression, command ratio is 3, right? Right, we check whether check this sequence here: 3, 6, 12 and 24. So one geometric progression. Reason is 6 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 6 is 2, 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. So in the given sequence a geometric progression. Moreover, the command ratio equal to 3 in here. Right? Then we will see another one. Here this one they given in this sequence 400, 100, 50 and 10. Right? We will divide and see this one. Right? 400 divided by 100 is 4, 100 divided by 50 is 2, 50 divided by 10 is 5. Right? Because the ratios are not equal. Say 4, 2, 5. So this is not a geometric progression. Right? See this one here. 4 minus 8, 60 minus 32, 64. Right? I want to check this is on geometric progression. We will see here. Minus 8 over 4 equal to 2. 16 divided by minus 8, then answer is minus 2. Here minus 32 divided by 16 equal to 2. Right? So here that every command ratios are equal, minus 2. Therefore this geometric progression, so we are calling as a geometric progression with command ratio equal to 2. Right? Then the students then see here in your book, textbook, right, in 16.6, 16.1 they gave one exercise to find which one is the geometric progression. Right? Then we will go to the next one. Nth term of the geometric progression. How to find the nth term of a geometric progression? Right? We'll write the first term of one geometric progression is we are calling simple A, and command ratio is simple R. The nth term of the sequence we are calling Tn. Right? In first term we are calling T1, second term is T2, third term is T3, like that. Right? Right. Consider this one geometric progression they given 3, 6, 12, 24. In the first term is 3, command ratio 6 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 6, 24 divided by 12 is 2. So command ratio is R. Right? You see, should find the first term. First term is 3, then 3 into 1. Right? That meaning 2 to the power 0 equal to 3. Then is the second term 3 into 2. That meaning 3 into 2 to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 meaning one time you want to multiply the common ratio. The answer will be 6 will be coming. See the third one. The third term is 12 here. Then how we can get the 12? 3 into 2 into 2. 2 times we are multiplying the common ratio. So 3 into 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 meaning there are 3 minus 1. Okay. Fourth term, so here 2, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Right? Right. The above expression can be written in the terms of A and first term equal to A, common ratio equal to R. We'll see here. See, the first term is 3, no? So 3 into 2 to the power 0. Then 3 will be coming. So A into R to the power 0. R to the power 0 is 1, right? Then equal to A. See the second term here. 3 into 2 to the power 1. So here A into R to the power 2 minus 1, then AR1. Same thing here also. A, then 3 minus 1, 2, AR2. Then it will be coming fourth term, AR 4 minus 1, AR3. Right? According to the observation, the pattern, the nth term, Tn, can be written as Tn equal to Arn minus 1. Right? The term, nth term of the geometric progression with the first term is A, then common ratio is R, given by Tn equal to Arn minus 1. Okay? We'll see how to solve the problems. Oh, how to find use that formula. So find the fifth term of the geometric progression with first term is 5 and common ratio is 2. So A equal to 5 into R equal to 2, N equal to 5. So 5 minus 2. So then the answer is T5 equal to 5 into 2 to the power 4. Then 5 into 16, T5 equal to 80. So therefore nth term is equal to 80. Right? We'll see. Then like that same thing have the 16.2. They gave some exercise. Right? So see that the fifth one. They give some decimal values. If you all are difficult to simplify this one using the decimal, can convert to the fraction and do the sum. Right? Right. We'll see using this formula of the Tn equal to Arn minus, how, which position or which times we can apply this one. Right? If they given a one sum, first term of the geometric progression is 2, fourth term is 50. So then we need to find the value of A over the first term. Right? So R equal to 2, fourth term is 54, right? N equal to 4, right? Should find the value of A. We know the formula to find the nth term is Tn equal to Arn minus 1. Right? See T, we substitute that every value. So a T4 equal to A into 2 to the power 4 minus 1. Then T4 equal to 54, right? Ratio equal to 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, 8 into A, 8A, 8A equal to 54, so A equal to 6. Then first term of the geometric progression is 6. It's a one type of the sum, right? You see they given that first term is for A, right? The number of sixth term is 6, right? 160. The sixth term is 160, n equal to 6th number of. Therefore we want to find the ratio, common ratio. The same method, I will substitute the values, every value. Then R divided by 5. Then here 160 want to divide by 5. Should find the value of R. Then R to the power 5 equal to 32. Then R5 equal to 2 to the power 5. Therefore R equal to 2. So the first term is in the progression with R, then I equal to 5, 10, 20 and 40. Right? we'll see here they given the sixth term of the geometric progression is 160. At that same progression, right, eighth term is 320. So that there have two such geometric progression, and want to write the first 5 of each progression. We'll see how to do that. First we want to get a 2 equation. Sixth term is 160, so AR5 equal to 160 first term. Then here seventh term they given 320, so AR6 equal to 640, right? Then see here AR6 over AR5, then R to the power 2 equal to 4, then R equal to plus or minus 4. Why? Then R square 2 into 2 equal to 4, or minus 2 into minus 2 also equal to 4, right? Now we'll see, because the values are two values, common ratio have two values, therefore they have the two sequences or two geometric progression is there, right? Subtracting R is 2, then A equal to 5, right? If they are R equal to minus 2 in the equation 1, that time you can get the A equal to minus 5. So we'll write this one. First term is 5, 10, 20, 40, 80, right? Fifth term, sixth term is 160 will come, simply can write, right? Then see here, this one should minus 5 now, so it will be coming minus 5, 10, minus 20, 40, minus 80, right? This is a method to simplify the, if there are any other two terms given, we want to divide the one equation by the another one, right? Then 16.3 have some sums, right? Do that sums and try to find the answers for that every sum.